Yale Law School is now urging that measures be taken in the criminalization of the homeless here in Connecticut.
All of this coming out in a new report. News 8's Brian Spiros joins us live from the Yale campus to break down exactly what this report is saying. Hi, Brian. Good morning.
Hey guys, good morning. You know, when a homeless person has nowhere to go, that means that they're out in public having to sleep, bathe, and look for food. And oftentimes all of those go against ordinances that many cities and towns have in place. Now, some of those ordinances across the state prohibit loitering, panhandling, sleeping in public places, and creating a shelter. Now, the very thing someone would have to do in order to survive. Oftentimes breaking those ordinances leads to a fine, which the person can't pay. So they have to contest it in court, but then may not appear for a number of reasons, and failure to do so can result in a warrant for their arrest and then jail. So this Yale Law School report is trying to make changes to the system. There are dozens of recommendations, but here are just a few of them. First, adopt a local version of a homeless person's Bill of Rights for police departments to respect the rights of a homeless person to use public spaces. And for the record, officers do understand the struggles that homeless people face, but have to obviously enforce the law. Another recommendation for the state is to provide financial support to cities and towns to develop alternatives to criminalization and provide a safe place for a homeless person to go if they're forced from an encampment. Again, these are just a few of the recommendations. People say while they are good in theory, it does not get to the root of the problem. Laura?
Brian, are there any other efforts underway to help homeless people here in the state?
You know, Governor Malloy has certainly recognized the problem. He actually signed on to the national Zero 2016 campaign, which pledges to eradicate veteran and chronic homelessness by the end of this year. Obviously, work has been done, but there still is much more that needs to be done here in the state and obviously across the country. Reporting live this morning from New Haven, I'm Brian Spiros. Back to you guys in the studio.